Hello, Mr. Martini.
Hello, Mr. Anani. How are you?
I'm doing very good.
Actually, I am over cloud 9.
And I am over the moon.
Yeah, of course.
Mr. Martini, do you remember something?
Yeah, of course.
The very first time I came to this school, you were the one who interviewed me.
Yeah, and I was honored to do that.
So why don't we do it at vice versa?
Yeah, I don't have any problem. We have a deal.
Okay, Mr. Martini, tell me, what is extraordinary about the summer courses that you are going to have?
Well, in summer course, students are supposed to be learning core skills, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Okay. But in summer school, we're going to be focusing on speaking that much.
Okay.
So, yeah, you're going to be benefit a lot.
What is unique behind the summer course?
You know, it's about our teachers and the staff that we are working with. It's going to be like blow-minding.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what activity are we going to do in spite of the student that we are going to have during the summer course?
So you know that we are in 2024.
Yeah.
We are going to be focusing on social media, for example, YouTube channels, and using a lot of activity there.
Okay. Behind that, comparing the summer school to the regular school, what is the difference that our wards are going to benefit from it?
Yeah. First of all, now students are feeling very calm and they trust our school. And we've been working on our brand for a long time, and that's why we're asking them to come and work with us.
So I have heard that, is it true we are going to invite another teachers to come to the school to teach two of us?
Yeah, of course. You are one of them. You are one of the new teachers, and of course you are very welcome here.
I see. So with this, after the summer course, the student, are we going to engage them in different others?
First of all, our students who come into summer school, they are supposed to be taking a certificate that they can use it, and it is like authorized.
Yeah, and I think the administration has planned that again.
Yeah, of course.
So very soon, I think it will be enough for you to come to attend the summer school.
And you are working, of course, you are very welcome to Jēwaz school, and we are waiting for you guys.
And big ups to the staff, big ups to the administration and the friends over all the female teachers and other teachers. Big ups to you, especially Haka ST, my best friend, and Gara, Safin, the name of it. And here's my best friend too, Mr. Martini.
Thank you. You are very welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.